what's going on, guys?
The food is GMOs. I don't know if you're familiar with it. This whole thing is a march against Monsanto. That's the company. It's an international agriculture seed selling company. And what they sell seeds? Right, they sell seeds. But they put genetic level GMO, genetically modified organisms. They're putting the pesticides inside of the actual seed, in the cell of the actual corn and all the produce. So when that thing is planted and it grows, it has the pesticide built within it. So when these guys come, fully covered in hazmat suits and gas masks, they don't even want to breathe in it, let alone get it on their skin. They spray it to get rid of all the bugs. And instead of the crops dying, because the Roundup pesticide is sprayed on it, the plants would usually die because it's a chemical, you know, to kill it, the insects die. But if the pesticide is within the corn, it's resistant. So they could spray all day and they could buy more pesticides, okay? And now when we eat this food, genetically, because it's on a genetic level, we now start producing pesticides. And we start having super health problems. We start falling apart. We run to the doctor, get the medication, it's only prolonging symptoms, it's not at the core of the problem. Because you're gonna go home and eat more of the GMOs, you know what I'm saying? So when I figured out where all the poisons were, you end up, by default, you end up on eating organic foods. There's no poison in there. But the combination of poison and the lack of nutrients and minerals, we're not getting them anymore. That's why we get fatigued throughout the day. We get tired and kind of lethargic. We're missing, there you go, you're probably missing B12 and B complex. Stupid basic info that they're not really teaching us anymore. You won't hear this on the news. They're going to probably try really hard to not let this go out there and be a part of the media, for sure. But it's just like super beyond anything, because it starts with the food. You ain't gonna have the energy, you know what I'm saying, like to do your job. I'm not gonna have the energy to come out here and do it if I don't eat, you know what I'm saying? That's why even like when we take tests or something, like make sure you eat a good breakfast. Why? Because you need the fuel for your brain. But these people are so obsessed with money that they're gonna do whatever they can to make sure that we're not gonna know about it. And now they're taking genes from other species, like fish, from an cold Arctic area, okay?
Putting them in strawberries.
Yeah, putting the genes of that fish into the strawberries. So when the strawberries in the freezer, it doesn't freeze out and they don't lose the money. It has that fish gene in it, so it stays resistant to the cold temperatures. Now it sucks if you love strawberries, but what if you're allergic to fish? Holy, you see what I'm saying? That's why I'm running up to you guys like, check this out, check this out.